Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss a very interesting part of our chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. So in previous video I have explained up to this page. Today I will explain cell wall. Okay, I will make a separate video for NCERT questions. Okay, so you see in cell wall we will discuss here. So you see, one by one we will discuss all features of the cell. Some features are common in plants and animals and some are different. So cell wall is the special feature which is present only in case of plant cell. Okay, it is absent in case of animal cell, because plants are different from animals. They have to stay in extreme situations also. Okay, whether it is high temperature, very low temperature, or it is raining. Okay, so it cannot move from one place to another. They have to stay there only. Okay, so plant cell and animal cell, they are both are having plasma membrane. Okay, this plasma membrane is also known as a cell membrane. Okay, plasma membrane is also known as a cell membrane. Okay, along with the cell membrane, on the outer side it is having a cell wall also, which will provide its rigidity. Okay, additional feature which will provide it protection. So cell wall will lies outside the plasma membrane. Plant cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. Now what is this cellulose? Cellulose is a complex carbohydrate. Okay, it is a complex carbohydrate, okay, which is present in cell wall. So cellulose is complex substance and provides structural strength to the plant. Okay, so when living plant cell loses water through osmosis, there is shrinkage or contraction of content of cell away from the cell wall. Okay, I will make here a simple structure of plant cell. Detail we will do at the end. Okay, diagram practice we will do later on. So you see, like, this is a cell wall and this is a plasma membrane. They are very close to each other, but I am making little far so that easily you can understand. This is nucleus and this is vacuole. Other organelles are also present, but I am making only this one. Okay, so you see, plant cells are different from animal cell. Okay, if we keep this plant cell in hypertonic solution, okay, I have made a separate video for these different type of solution. You can watch. Okay, hypertonic, isotonic and hypotonic solution. Okay, hypertonic solution are having high solute, okay, and low solvent is water here. Okay, maximum time solvent is water only. So you see, in plant cell, inside the nucleus also water is there, and in cytoplasm also water is there. Okay, here cytoplasm is there, even in the vacuole water is there. Okay, so water is present everywhere. So when we put this cell in hypertonic solution, what will happen? Water from the cell will come out. Okay, it will come out. So this plasma membrane along with other organelles will shrink, but cell wall will remain as such. Okay, so what will happen? Like, this is a cell wall. Okay, after shrinkage what will happen? Like, this is a plant cell. Okay, this is a cell wall, so it will shrink. Okay, this complete vacuole, nucleus, all will shrink and it will become like this. Okay, we can and this is known as a plasmolysis. Okay, plasmolysis, it is a very important term. Lysis mean breakdown. Okay, mostly in bio we use this word for breakdown. So here it means shrinkage of the protoplasm. Okay, shrinkage of the protoplasm. Protoplasm mean nucleoplasm, which is present in the nucleus, and cytoplasm, which is present in the cell. Both will shrink. Okay, because water is coming out. Okay, so we can observe this phenomena by a activity also. See this activity 5.6. What we need to do in this activity, we have to take a rio leaf. Rio leaf, it is an ornamental plant. Okay, easily you can see it is of greenish and purple color. Next time I will share its pic also. Okay, so in your societies also easily you can get this rio leaves, and mostly we use rio leaf for many experiments. Okay, so here also we will take a peel of rio leaf. Peel, actually it is very easy to remove peel of rio leaf. Okay, that is uppermost epidermis. Okay, in other plant it is difficult. Okay, so mostly we take rio leaf only. So what we have to do is, we have to take a peel of rio leaf in water on a slide. So first of all we will take one slide. Okay, here we will put a rio leaf. Okay, then under high power of microscope we have to examine. We will add water here. Okay, 2-3 drop of water we will put, otherwise what will happen, cell will die. Okay, they will dry and die. So we have to put some water. So note the small green granules called as a chloroplast. Here we can see chloroplast also. They contain green substance called as a chlorophyll. Put a strong solution of sugar. Strong solution mean hypertonic solution. Okay, strong solution mean hypertonic solution. Hypertonic mean high solute content. Okay, we can take sugar or we can take salt also. They will act as a solute. So we have to put first we are putting water, then we will put hypertonic solution on it, and we have to observe it under microscope. Okay, this is the first condition. And in second situation, you see what we have to do is, we have to take a rio leaf. Okay, और इसको हमें क्या करना है, इसको हम बॉईल करेंगे वाटर में. अब बॉईल करने से क्या होगा, जो सेल्स हैं, जो प्लांट सेल हैं रियो लीफ के, दे विल डाई. ओके, तो हमें सेल्स को पहले किल करना है. After then same procedure we will do what we have done in this slide. Again we will do that activity. So then we have to compare, okay, observation of both the activities. Okay, in this slide cells are living. Okay, here cells are living, but here cells are dead. Okay, so same procedure we will do here also. We will put hypertonic solution. So what we will observe, what do we found, did plasmolysis occur now? So answer will be no. Okay, dead cells will not show osmosis. Okay, उनमें exoosmosis नहीं होगा, पानी बाहर नहीं निकलेगा, because those cells are dead. Okay, but here we will see plasmolysis. जो living cells होते हैं, they show plasmolysis. डेड सेल्स विल नॉट शो प्लाज्मोलिसिस. ओके, क्योंकि उनकी जो सेल वॉल है और जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है वो डैमेज हो चुकी है. ठीक है, व्हाट डू वी इन्फर फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी? It appears that only living cells, not dead cells, are able to absorb water by osmosis. Okay, so cell wall permit the cell of a plant. Okay, see, cell wall is present in plant, fungi and in some bacteria also. Okay, not in all, but it is present in bacteria also. But chemical composition will vary from plant to plant, and in fungi also chemical composition will be different. Okay, in plant it is made up of cellulose. In different organism it is made up of different chemicals. Okay, so cell wall will enable it to withstand very dilute यानी हाइपोटोनिक एक्सटर्नल मीडिया विदाउट बर्स्टिंग. ओके, क्योंकि अगर मान लो प्लांट सेल को हमने हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में रखा है, जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, ठीक है, अब बाहर के आसपास उसकी जो रूट्स हैं बहुत सारा पानी इकट्ठा हो गया और बहुत ज़्यादा पानी एब्जॉर्ब कर रही हैं रूट्स. ओके, तो क्या होगा कि वो सेल बर्स्ट नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि उनमें सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है, तो वो उनको प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करती है। सेल वॉल क्या करेगी, यहाँ पे जैसे मान लो ये तो हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन का मैंने बनाया, हाइपोटोनिक का मैं यहाँ पे बनाती हूँ। ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ सेल मेम्ब्रेन भी है, तो वाटर क्या कर रहा है, एंटर कर रहा है। अब स्वेलिंग हो गई। अब ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करेगी सेल वॉल पे, और सेल वॉल इसके ऊपर प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करेगा, तो इट विल नॉट बर्स्ट। सेल wall building up pressure against the सेल वॉल। ओके, सेल स्वेल हो जाएगा और प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करेगा सेल वॉल पे, तो वॉल एक्सर्ट एन इक्वल प्रेशर अगेंस्ट द स्वोलन सेल। ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ वाटर एंटर कर रहा है, ठीक है, ये हमारी सेल मेम्ब्रेन है, ठीक है, और जिसको हम प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन भी कहते हैं। ठीक है, तो सेल विल स्वेल, सो क्या होगा, सेल मेम्ब्रेन एक्सर्ट कर रहा है प्रेशर सेल वॉल पे, और सेल वॉल इक्वल प्रेशर एक्सर्ट कर रही है सेल मेम्ब्रेन पे। ठीक है, तो प्लांट सेल विल नॉट बर्स्ट, बट इफ वी कीप एनिमल सेल, ओके, अगर हम एनिमल सेल को हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में रखेंगे तो इट विल बर्स्ट, बिकॉज एनिमल सेल में कोई भी सेल वॉल नहीं है। ठीक है, तो इसमें हम आरबीसीज का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं। अगर आरबीसीज को हम आरबीसी एनिमल सेल हुआ ना, तो उसको अगर हम हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में रखते हैं तो इट विल बर्स्ट, और अगर हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में रखते हैं तो इट विल श्रिंक। सो आरबीसीज को हमें आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में रखना पड़ेगा, ताकि वो ना ही बर्स्ट करे ना ही श्रिंक करे। Okay, so this is about the cell wall, which is very important concept in case of plant cell. Okay, so in next video we will discuss nucleus. Okay, it is little bit vast. Okay, I will explain it in detail, which will help you in class 10 also. Okay, so bye everyone, take care. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, which will motivate me to make more and more videos for you guys. Okay, bye everyone.